What's up, guys? As I was about to film today using time-lapse, and I was gonna include my Mavic Mini freaking Crash on this little tree right here, and it freaking dropped right down here. My shoes are so wet right now. I'm gonna let it dry and see what happens. As I was going right over here, it was acting up. Like every time I was trying to drive it, it keeps going down and I have to push it up.
It's doing its own thing.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I bought a bunch of LUTs on my Premiere. So I'm gonna try to mess around with the LUTs and see what I can come up with. Stick around and you will see the Mavic Crash in this video.
Tell them I need a break from the problems. Couple bottles, couple friends, a couple planes, a couple minutes, couple days, it all depends. Feel my head is going in circles, there's so much I'm holding it. But tonight I'm going out, ironically I'm going in. Back it up, hey. Let me let go all my sorrows, let them sink inside the bottle, living like it's no tomorrow. Back it up, hey. All we need is drinks and music, used to dream it, now we have the chance to do it. I'm feeling like everyone's someone, and we try so hard to be somebody. But all the problems in life make us feel like we're not important. Hey. So tonight we're gonna get turned up and party hard like we're somebody. And if you're feeling like one of us is gone, but now we're both. Sing! All our troubles are gone, taken away. Let's celebrate, it's a brand new day. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Because we live only one life. While we're still young, let's stay out all night. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Same old struggle, same old pain, the same old hustle, same old lane, the same old routine. Make me think, is it right? Hope it is, cause I've been tripping, I got issues, I've been tripping, I've been stuck in my position every night. Hey. Wishing I was young, got me thinking back to when times were fun. Hey. All we need is drinks and music, used to dream it, now we got the chance to do it. Cause all our troubles are gone, taken away. Let's celebrate, it's a brand new day. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Because we live only one life. While we're still young, let's stay out all night. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Gonna have to keep my chin up, cause darkness was always around me. And now I'm feeling like a winner, my problems drifted away. I used to have to keep my chin up, cause darkness was always around me. And now I'm feeling like a winner, my problems drifted away. All our troubles are gone, taken away. Let's celebrate, it's a brand new day. I feel so alive, feel so alive. Because we live only one life. While we're still young, let's stay out all night. I feel so alive, feel so alive.
Finally made it to my destination. As you can see, it took me about an hour, probably a little over an hour from Bellevue to Bato. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna get some rest. I'm gonna take a break real quick, and then I'm gonna head back home, and then we'll go check on the drone once I get home, and hopefully it's dry and that it's working.
The next day.
Okay guys, moment of truth.
See if this thing's still working. So yeah. Okay, I got everything here. Oh shoot! Alright, let's see if this works.
Alright, we switched off using the main camera, the G7. Moment of truth. Okay, oh, looks like we're connected. I can see it. Oh my goodness, dude. I see something here, so I can see the camera. Oh my god, it's working, dude. I can't believe it. At least it works. It works. So there you have it, it worked. It was like at least 3 feet, you know, went down and it survived, so I'm happy. If you're looking into getting a drone, I would highly suggest you starting with the Mavic Mini. Just don't go for like a really expensive one. First, just buy this and practice, you know, you never know. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. turn on that notification bell, share this video with your friends and families. I'll see you guys on the next video.